What's up YouTube? I'm so excited today because I've got Echo Plus, Fit Hue lights and Fire Stick here from Amazon Prime Day sale. So welcome to the most casual unboxing video you've ever seen. It's gonna be a fun time. So let's not waste any time. We're gonna unbox these good stuff. One thing that I really would like to do is to turn the house into a smart home. So by now I've got smart TV, smart washing machine, smart speaker, smart light, smart lamp, and smart sex toys. No, I don't have smart sex toys. When I wake up tomorrow morning, instead of going to the kitchen and making a coffee for myself, I would like to ask Alexa to do the job for me. I want to be hands-free and I want to do everything in a smart way. So I've just set this one up. It's super easy. You just need to download the app, plug it into Echo Plus, and then connect it to Wi-Fi via your phone. I've got this one working, so let's see what Alexa can do. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Right now in Kupuru, it's 23 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun.
Alexa, stop.
Throughout
Alexa, what's the time in China?
the time in China is 11:19 a.m.
Alexa, remind me to do my assignment at 6 p.m. today.
Okay, I'll remind you at 6 p.m. Welcome to 7-Minute Workout. To continue where you last left off, say ready.
Alexa, what's Maroon 5's first album?
Maroon 5's first album was Songs About Jane.
Alexa, play Girls Like You by Maroon 5.
Girls Like You by Maroon 5.
Alexa, set a timer for 10 seconds.
10 seconds, starting now.
Alexa, what's the top news today?
Here's your flash briefing. From Sky News Australia.
2 of the 12 boys rescued from a flooded cave in Thailand.
Alexa, ask Tech Talks for the latest talk.
Welcome back to TED Talks. Okay, here's the latest TED Talk. Kashmir Hill and Sir Yama 2. What your smart devices know and share about you, which is 9 minutes in length.
This TED Talk features journalists Kashmir Hill.
Alexa, play Rock, Paper, Scissors.
Okay, let's play. 3, 2, 1. Scissors.
Oh,
3, 2, 1. Paper.
yay! Turn on living room lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lights to purple.
Okay.
Cause girls like you roll around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need you.
Just to wrap it up, Echo Plus connects to Alexa to make calls, play music, and control a smart home. Fit Hue can create a very good living experience for your living area. Even though there's still a lot of things to improve, I can see the potential here. If you have any tips regarding using Alexa, make sure you list it down below. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.